Good morning and welcome back to the workshop. In this video, I wanted to talk about the viewers, you, watching this now. I am so grateful and so thankful that you've been with me on this journey. I'm approaching 500 subscribers on YouTube, and that's beyond my wildest dreams. And I wanted to say thank you to everyone who supported me on this journey together. And so I wanted to do a little giveaway. And it's not quite an iPad, but I'd like to give away a bottle of marking out fluid. This is red acetone-based fluid by ARC. It's made in the UK. And I have another bottle of it that I'm ready to send out to one of the viewers of this video. And the way I'd like to try and do it is turn the Q&A paradigm around, because most people have that as their anniversary or their landmark numbers. They ask viewers to ask questions, but I'm all learning. This channel is all about me learning rather than me trying to tell or teach anything. So I thought that would be a bit rich. But what I thought would be a great way to flip that would be if you as a viewer could suggest something to me, something to focus on to learn. So whether that's a technique, a tool, a Japanning or grinding or making tools or doing something else in single point thread cutting or something like that. Give me something that you think I should focus on to make my model engineering better. And then as a way of saying thank you to the best suggestion, I would like to send you a bottle of marking out fluid. So if you're interested at all, please comment on the video. If not, that's no problem. Thank you very much, and I will see you next time.